Alright, just going to show this LED kit that I got. I got the back of the truck is, look, in the front of the truck down by the floor, they're all LEDs. I got them outside too. Kit does quite a bunch of different things. So it dances to the music when you switch it. So let's see if I can get this something a little bit different here. Go for this. So I want to go to where it changes with the music, goes with the music. So now it's going to go to the music.
Wake up to a cloudy day, dark rolls in and it starts to rain.
Change the speed up a little bit.
Like walls, time goes by and the shadows crawl. Crushing candy, crushing pills. Got no job, my pays my bills.
We'll do different colors.
Getting my fill, sweating bullets, Netflix chills. World's out there singing the blues. 20 more dead on the evening news. Think to myself, really, what's the use? I'm just like you, I was born to lose. Why can't you just fix me? When all I want to feel numb, but the medication's all gone.
So you turn it off and it just goes into a slow fade, but when you put the music back on, oops, hit the wrong button. The music back on and it changes.
Why does God hate me? When all I want to get high, never get this so-called life. I am so freaking bored, nothing to do today. I guess I'll sit around and
So we'll turn it on down a little bit and then outside show you.
nothing to do today. I guess I'll sit around and medicate. Yeah, we feel better than I ever will.
So it does that outside too. There's a little bit of a look from the inside of here. So it'll control the front, and obviously you can't have that going down the road, but it does have other settings. So there I can go back to the fast, so I can put it back to here. Here's green, there's a bluish color, red, there's green again. It's got 18 different colors. It's all controlled by remote too. These are just the different colors that it has. It just cycles through them differently. So it's back to white. It also can strobe. Strobe different speeds, different colors. And there's the strobe. Different style strobe. And you can do that. And you can change the speed of the way it fades out of stuff if you want. So I'm going to put it back to the... There's that. There's a solid color. So now I'm going to go back. There's that color. I like the blue and I like the white. There's the white. Pretty good kit.